Guys, it's time. This is what all y'all waiting for. The headlights. So we're gonna install them right now. So I'm gonna start recording because I can't carry this with holding the camera and taking it downstairs. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, the package is secure. It's in the back. So let's get to the shop and let's hear this, how this bad boy sounds. Listo, Dad? You ready to take the whole bumper off? Dude, the car's so dirty, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. So dirty. I watched this Sunday and that was the last time. Alright. My base kind of clean. It's not that dirty. Like I said, I cleaned this Sunday. But the car's completely dirty. It rained. What, like Tuesday, Monday? No, it rained Wednesday. No, it rained Tuesday. It rained Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Because today's Thursday. Yeah, look at so dirty. Oh my god. So yeah, we have to take the bumper off. We have to take these off. Not these. This is the, I mean, obviously we're gonna take the head aside. We have to take all these. Not that. Oh, and then there's two of them in the back. That's why I twisted the wheel. So we're gonna have to take them off. You have to take that cover up right there. Oh, that ones are easy. Remember los quitamos la otra vez? No, échale afloja todo. ¿Cómo se llama eso? To loosen up bolts and stuff because they're hard. A este que está. Oh. Dude, my dad's just sending it, bro. He's not even letting me do anything. He's just like quick as fuck. My assistant's right here. My assistant. Van a decir todos que me estás ayudando mucho. Bro, I look here so early, like I'm so tired. But you know, I'm doing this, I'm recording my dad, he's doing it. He's just doing it so quick, he's just sending it. Like, he's not even letting me do anything, he's just like, fuck it. Man got the equipment, my guy, I'm telling you. Yep, guys, rest in peace, bumper. No, crazy. Dude, I'm telling you, this guy just fucking sending it. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, take it half away so they can know I did it. Sácalo poquito para que piense que lo hice. Oh, hell no. I give this my dad credits for this one. Because he's the one who told me to come do it. Because he got excited with the taillights in the back. And now he's going to put the new ones. Baja todo. It broke. Fuck. No tiene uno. No, that's it. So.
¿Eso tiene abajo que quitar todos los de abajo o ahí los quitamos?
Estos, ¿no?
No, dos acá abajo tiene unos tornillos.
My head. Fuck.
Ahí los podemos quitar.
Oh, yeah, los podemos quitar. You don't have to take. We're not gonna take a whole bumper off. We can take it off like that. Dude, my dad's doing this shit quick as fuck. I wanted to see when, like, I'm actually in bumper that. Ah, but never mind. I mean, it's faster this way. This is like my dad's install, not mine. It's his YouTube channel, guys. They're so rusty. No. Alright, look, hold it. Para que digan que hice algo. Alright guys, we got it.
No
se va a poder cerrar, Dan.
No, hay que quitarlo.
Yeah, I have to take the bumper off.
No se el gato.
Fuck. Alright guys, we're wrong. We have to take the whole bumper, man. That's like, we're gonna struggle hard, so we just try to take the headlights apart. Well, basically, this video is mostly my dad installing. Well, he wanted to do it low key because he was so excited for the rear taillights. He like, man, we have to do the fronts now. So I'll let him do this video. I know you guys are gonna comment your dad's doing the most of the work. And basically, he does mostly every time he does this. He helps me out a lot. So, cause I don't know shit sometimes. I mean, sometimes some things I know, like the steering wheel, he didn't know how to do. So I need to search it up, look for videos, and do it. So yeah, he's doing most of the work right now because he wanted to do the headlights. So this is his whole video, guys. So like the video if y'all want to see a video like this with my dad doing most of the work. Now I'm playing now, but like the video because this is what he likes doing. So yeah, he wanted to do the headlights because of him. He's doing the headlights today. So like the video, comment below. Yeah, let's get to it.
Production.
Psych, guys, we're gonna get an evil bumper. Nah, I'm playing. Imagine. Yeah. This is how it looks with no bumper. I always wanted to see one like this. Oh shit, I need more wiper fluid, dude. Water, so I can wipe on my wipers. My shield. Windshield, I mean. Look, I told you guys it does have a turbo. Look. The intercooler's right here, guys. Intercooler right here. See, I told you guys. Intercooler. Now what? Run out, Dad. Así lo quiero manejar. Oh, we're gonna pull it out? Sácalo, tú. You do it, you do it. Go. It's his video, guys. This is his video. He took over my YouTube channel. Ah, fuck. Stupid bumper. Oh, I'm playing. Guys, they're here. Yeah, ready? Guys, I just came back because I forgot the damn LED lights at my house. I just came back and my dad is done. Not done, but he basically put everything already. I didn't even, like, he already got the wiring going. I don't know what he did. I don't know how you guys already installed this if I didn't show you how to install this yet. Well, I'll ask him right now and see how he did it and I'll explain it to you guys. Because I just came in, headlights on, the other one got took off. My plan is to leave that one on, this one, and then turn on this one, and then turn on this one and see what's the difference. But you know, he beat me to it, man. My fault. I forgot the headlights. The LED bolts in my house. I need to go get them. I just came back. Everything's gone. Wiring's is about to, like, I don't know what the fuck's going on, you know? Like, I don't know. My dad's just, you know, I'm telling you, he took over my YouTube channel, guys. He did. Basically, this whole video is my dad working. I'm sorry, all my dad. So yeah, we're gonna do it right now and see how they look. Bro, they look so nice. Woo! Alright, págalo, Dad. Oh shit, you guys ready? Oh, what the fuck? It doesn't want to focus. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Holy sh! A ver las altas? That's the high beam. Holy shit! Oh. See that? Some tints? They do not look like tints. I don't know, dude. They look lit. So I guess you don't need. ¿Tú le hiciste todo esto? ¿Para qué es esto?
Viene, no sé, hay que ver.
Oh, pero eso es para las otras que tenía, ¿te acuerdas?
Este cable lo trae ahí. No sé para qué sea.
Oh, nomás conéctalos.
Y va aquí. Pero no sé para qué sea ese. No te va a estar el papel.
Whoa, we got the cable, one cable that comes with it. I'm guessing it's for the, I don't know, we don't know what it is this for, but I'm guessing for the ones, if you don't have the ones I put on, you gotta install this and then this and the other stuff. So I don't know, to be honest. I'm not into wiring my dad either. So we're just gonna keep it in case, because this one goes to the fuse box. So, but we don't know if what is it for. So if, comment below if you guys know, or hit me up IG, you know, so you can let me know what that's for, because I'm not sure. So please let me know. I'm gonna just leave it there, but we're gonna install the highlights without it, because they're, like you saw it, they light up. So we're just gonna leave it how it is. Leave the wire here. We're gonna tuck it through here with this one, and then pass it through here, and then just comment below what is that for, or message me on IG, please, and thank you. You take this off, put this one down, put this one down right here. Take the wiring. How is that zooming? Put that up. All right, guys, don't. Listen. Don't touch the LED bulbs. All right, guys, you're gonna fuck them up. And then you just like that. And it's hard to do it with one hand. I'll hold it. All right. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, we got him. So, oh, we forgot this one too. Sorry. There we go. We'll put it in here. Guys, we got them on, both of them. Las emergencias. ¿Por qué está tardando? ¿No van a la misma vez? Oh, no, okay, never mind. Ya están. Bro, it can't focus because of the light. There we go. Oh shit. Bro, evil, fake evil on the road now? Oh shit. Guys, it's looking lit. Yeah, we're gonna put that on just so we don't scratch it up when we put the bumper on. So yeah, stay tuned for that. The wire, like I said, hit me up. I don't know what the hell this is for. We just connected them, but we don't know what it's for. But it's ready to be. We just need to put the screws on, and that's it. It's plug and play, my guys. So you wanna cop these? I'll put a link in the description below. Yeah.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered